Alright guys, we are back from Vegas and now Dave is about to have a fun time watching that face. Are you mad?
Tired.
You're tired?
Well,
back from vacation?
I'll make it look brand new though. Watch.
It is gonna look brand
Look
new.
intro coming in.
Transition?
Oh yeah.
It's still dirty, boss. I'm just kidding.
Broken.
The transition's broken. Yeah, this is gonna waste all the water.
When I was driving behind you, I was thinking you're the only smoked out that would drive. I can't even explain it. Like how low it is to the ground. It's a CS, and you just.
Bro, I'm dying, guys. Still. But yeah, I'm a little crazy driving a CS off-roading this slow. Try to have fun, you know what I mean? You gotta enjoy the cars, bro. We didn't break nothing. The car's good.
You're rich. It's okay.
Everyone's saying you're gonna charge me double. Bro, I'm not kidding. I've literally got like 50 DMs of people saying David's gonna be mad. David's gonna charge you double.
No way. Were you upload the video?
Yeah, and everyone just started talking about you watching it.
That video was.
It was sing on drifting.
It didn't go in the intakes.
I think it did. Look at it.
I'm gonna spray like this. You know that'd be cool.
I think you should spray them though, just to try to get some out. I give you permission. I give you permission, brother.
For the loaner?
Oh yeah, I got Justin's car now.
You know, every single light, someone was staring at me, bro.
I know. I drive this car too, bro. It gets more attention than my R8.
Yes,
Sure
even the crackheads were looking at me. Like,
Sure, like, shorty, huh?
yeah.
Dude, I didn't tell you guys, and I didn't even tell the vlog. Bro, I was driving with her the other day. She got pulled over by a cop, and I saw this cop bust a U-turn fast. He for sure was just trying to see who was driving it, like what girl's driving it. He rolls down the window, starts like trying to talk to her slick, and he looks in and he sees me. He's like, all right, you guys are good to go. And he gave us like, he's like, I was gonna give you a ticket for a window tint, but it's all good. And he just left. Everyone thinks it's a girl driving it, that's why. All right, now we gotta get Chris's reaction to the vet. He's never even heard it with the new cam and everything. It's so loud, bro. Like it's ridiculous.
Honestly, I've been waiting to hear this.
You ready? I always want to wait for the neighbors to go inside because I don't want them to complain. They're gonna kick me out of here, bro. I swear, if they hear the car, they're gonna kick me out. This car is so loud.
Is that even okay for the car?
What?
The car is tripping out.
I know, all the lights are going off.
The car's like, what the fuck is happening?
The check engine light did come on, which I'm kind of nervous about, but Sam said go run the codes and it shouldn't be that bad.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the engine's like, what the fuck is happening too?
Sam thinks it's maybe like an O2 sensor or something.
It smells so bad.
It smells bad, bro, I'm telling you.
What are you gonna do? Why?
Can you record yourself?
What are you gonna do? Hey, no.
See how fast it is?
Leave the traction on.
Like my most fun car to drive right now, besides R8.
You know how I told you I have a list of cars and this was last? Remember I told you this was last?
It went up a little bit?
Yeah. G80's last.
No way, dude. I really haven't driven the G80, guys, in so long. Even Joseph yesterday was like, I don't remember the last time I've been in that car. Me neither, bro. I don't remember the last time I drove the G80. Now I'm going with Chris to, I think, show somebody his car. He's trying to sell it. The red F80 that you guys seen in the channel for a very long time. If any of you guys want it, bro, he told me that he'd rather sell it to one of you guys. If anyone wants to shoot him an offer, I'll leave his Instagram right here. But 2018 Imola red, shit is sick, dude. That paint color is crazy. What's up, G? We're matching. We're twinning. I'm over here driving in slides, by the way. You know how hard it is to shift? Yeah, if anyone wants to buy his F80, let me know. Or not, don't let me know, let him know. Message him on Instagram. Look how funny this is. That's how you know the cam is crazy. There's no way. Sick ass food. Like, I feel like this cop's gonna say something to me right now. He circled around twice. Let's see if he tells me something. Is he just gonna wait for me to pull me over? We came to show the kid Chris's car, and I was just pulled over right here, and the cop's just looking at me. I can't? I was just waiting for my friend. He's just dropping off his car at this body shop. Yeah. They went over. I did a U-turn back there. He was staring at me. Like, he's circling again, bro. Look at this dude. He really wants me. He for sure heard the cam. Anyways, I did a U-turn back there, and the cop was looking at me. I saw him staring at me. I came over here, we're about to turn into here, and I couldn't get in because it's so steep. So I just reversed right here and parked on the red, which it is red, but I have my hazards on. Look, I'm pulled over, waiting, and I see him creep super slow, watching me trying to get out of here. And then he goes that way, does a U-turn again, goes over there, does another U-turn. That's when he was just parked right here, just waiting for me to leave. They for sure wanted to give me a ticket. And I think he's gonna wait for me to leave, watch. He for sure wants to vet, guys. Heard her yelling at me, the passenger cop. She was like, you can't park there. Hey, I told him you're gonna sell it, Chris.
Who?
Your car. Everybody.
Yeah, if anyone wants to buy it before it goes bye-bye. I already have a buyer.
You guys know they're brothers? Did they look like brothers? Who do you guys think is older?
Because I'm selling it.
Hey, you like the vet?
Yeah.
It's sick, right?
It's twerking. It's twerking.
What'd you say earlier?
My balls are shaking.
It's the next day. Actually, it's been like 2 days. I haven't done nothing. But I'm finally feeling better, bro. I've literally been sick for almost 2 weeks now, dude. I hate it, but finally feeling better now. Finally getting back to normal, so I can start freaking vlogging more, posting more. But we are going to a little night meet. We're taking the vet. It smells old in here. Why does it smell like that? It smells old. I think it's the air. Anyways, I'm feeling better. I just got a dumb cough, but I feel way better. Like, I don't feel sick. I don't feel tired. But dude, that whole SEMA week, I just felt exhausted, bro. You guys know how it is. When you're getting sick, you just want to be in bed, bro. And I had to force myself to go to SEMA and vlog. Anyways, we're gonna meet up with some homies right now. Go to this little meet. I'm kind of getting over car meets, guys. I feel like nowadays the car meets are kind of getting out of control, kind of boring, kind of ratchet. But I've been bored all day, and I'm like, dude, I gotta do something. I gotta get out this house. So I'm mainly going just for the drive with the homies. Of course, I brought the vet, like I said. There was another cop staring at me right now. Another one, bro. This car is bright red, and it's super loud. It's getting a lot of cop attention. I gotta be very careful when I drive this thing, but this is the squad today. Got my boy Supra. Also, I don't know if you guys seen, but Ray got another Supra. Another one, bro. My boy's rich. The fat tire on it, and then that crazy 2 Series with the hood exit. But yeah, Ray got another freaking Supra, bro. He got a crazy car collection. We gotta do a car tour with Ray now. I don't even know what cars he has at this point. My boy's had an R8. He had a GT4 RS. Who remembers that? He had a GTR before. He had a wide body Supra, a regular Supra now, Mark IV Supra. He has another car which I don't know if he revealed yet. I can't talk about that. Oh, and it's G82. I almost forgot about that too. Anyways, yeah, that's Ray's new Supra. I actually really like it, bro. I think I like it more than the wide body. bro, this car is so rowdy, bro. I cannot film and drive with one hand, bro. It's kind of scary in this one. I haven't showed you this either. My boy Garrett. Garrett also got a new car. What's with everyone getting new cars? That shit is hard though. Cybertruck? And look, it says Jules by G on the back. That's a sick daily. I was telling Ray I still want one of those. Cause bro, you guys know me. Like I'm a BMW guy. I've had all the BMWs, all the M3s. And the Mark V Supra is kind of like a BMW. I mean, it's practically a Beamer, bro. Let's be honest. B58. I think it would be sick. I don't know. That's the one car I haven't had. And a lot of people build them, but it's for a reason. You know, you can make them really fast. You can do a lot of mods to them. I think it'd be a cool car for the channel. Let me know what you guys think, bro. It will look something similar to that. Not wide body, I'll keep it stock body like that. I just love that fat tire setup, bro. That tire setup looks crazy. Looks like 1,000 horsepower. Or we get a Cybertruck. Sick ass food. But this thing is so loud with the hood exit. How does he not get pulled over with the hood exit? I don't know about you guys. Does it sound like it has a misfire? It's so hard to hear because of the chop, but I don't know, I might be going crazy, but I feel like the chop isn't as clean how it was like on day one. And the check engine light did come on, which is kind of scary, but I don't know, bro. Is it misfiring or not? It's hard to hear because it's choppy so much. Ugh. I told Sam about it. He was like, just go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's and get like the codes read or something. But I do feel like it is misfiring. Hopefully not. The car runs fine. When I step on it, it feels fast. Oh, also, I didn't even show this, but look, race car's already single turbo. Damn. Bro, how many single turbos you got now? You haven't rebuilt the other car though.
4.
I haven't told them about the other car.
4. We have 4. Every car I have now is single turbo.
That's insane, dude. Yeah, he told me I need to catch up.
You're on some bullshit.
I need to hurry up and do it. I'm gonna get 2 though. Look, I'm gonna get 2 for the price of 1.
I gotta change the colors ugly, but look how cool that shit looks.
Oh, what the heck? The Ultra?
Yeah, the Ultra shit.
That's tight. They're all single turbo. Look at that. Rich.
That one's sick too.
Let me borrow it, G. Let me borrow a single turbo kit. I do want a Super though, I'm not gonna lie.
Get one that should be sick.
Cause it's kind of like a BMW, you know? This is perfect too. This is how I would do it.
All black?
Black with the carbon, the big tire. I'm the only Corvette here now. I almost brought the G80 for this reason, because I knew you guys are gonna bring all these cars out. You brought the Cybertruck? The daily?
You told me to.
But that shit is hard though. I'm not gonna lie. I like the logo on the back.
Oh, yeah.
And the wheels on. Who put his logo on the wheels? Look at That's sick. I haven't been to a car meet in a long time, I feel like. I like that color, bro. But I want to go look at this R8. I know. I think it's twin turbo too. I've seen it on Sheepy's page. Oh, Peter.
Yo. That's the version.
Oh, the Big Peter? R8? I think it's like over 1,000, I think. I saw Sheepy just post this. Damn, dude, look at the wheels. They look like TEs. And he got like the TE B-lock on the back. Damn, these wheels are fire.
The color's fire too.
I like the color too. Damn, I haven't driven my R8 in a long time, bro. It's honestly been a while. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I drove my R8. It's been a long time. I haven't even took it out with the new carbon hood or anything. Sheesh. They did the center exit, the turbos. Should I do center exit right there or not? I feel like I have to.
I don't like the 4 like that though.
Yeah, the 4 is kind of, I want 2, like just 2 clean
4
ones.
is kind of weird. But 2
But you gotta cut the bumper, look. There's no more going back. Like all this has to get cut out.
That's fine though.
I just don't like how you have to like relocate the plate, bro. Like that shit kind of ugly. Shit clean though. Looks just like mine. Soon, guys, we're gonna have a twin turbo kit too. We're literally gonna be like 20.
Yeah, when did it home? Isn't that
I
crazy?
know. I don't even drive it.
Like the vet more now.
Yes, ever since I got the vet, that's the only car I've been driving. Like the vet is so fun.
It's America.
I bet you that little thing is fast. These little Hondas are quick. And everyone's looking at these engine bays, so I bet you they're fast too. How much you want to bet a single turbo? Look, I knew it. Evos are sick. I just heard that they're very unreliable. So it's probably like a car I will never get. I don't like unreliable, bro. Which is why I sold my GTR. I bet you it's fast, huh? Look at this thing in the front. What is this? The intake?
Yeah.
And it's just gutted, bro. Look, and he got a nitrous bottle. The nitrous bottle is the size of the car. This one got a crazy tire setup. Look at this. was for sure fast. Bro, isn't this shit too early for this? Christmas? Bro, we still got like over a month, bro.
Did you see the plate?
This one can't wait.
Maybe GT3 is crazy.
I don't know if I'm gonna do that this year, bro. That shit took way too long.
That's the car too, no?
Let's do it to the E92.
Maybe in the cage, I'm down.
Let's do the Bronco. You know how much lights you would need? Hell no.
Bro, I was going up and down the driveway with the Mark IV. Make sure it doesn't die.
Hey, Kevin thought that was you over there, the black one.
Dirty.
That's messed up. Bro, that's messed up, Kevin. Yeah, I think it'll fit.
That's fucked up. That shit look like it's been given driven since he
It's been driving?
Bro, he laughs like he's gonna have a heart attack.
Bro, Anto's car is sick though. If you guys didn't see, shut the.
I gotta start giving him an asthma pump when he laughs like this.
It needs an inhaler. Yeah, if you guys didn't see the last video, Anthro bought the E36 M3. British Racing Green too, bro. This thing is hard.
But the F80 got rid of that shit.
Ray hates that.
Out here, I'm gonna say that shit every video. Get rid of it. Yeah, watch. AB!
This is the car I should have kept though. I messed up selling this one.
It's a CS.
Oh my god.
Everyone likes it but you.
That shit is whack.
It depends though. What are you gonna sell it for?
I don't even know, bro. Maybe something JDN.
Told you that shit would be
Mark V Supra?
Mark 5, bro.
You'll get the Fitment looking.
That's a good little switch. I don't know. Damn, I'm about the movie camera out.
Man, serious. He said, nah, fuck that.
All over my camera. From a movie.
They're all coming up.
Gary said, everybody from GAT is coming after me right now. Look at it. But this is all there is in GAT. What'd you say?
I thought those were chrome heart wheels.
Yes.
They look like it.
Kevin, you would get roasted in GAT with me, bro. I already know you. You guys remember GAT? All these guys were yelling at me. They were all mad at me. They were like, get out of my country.
They're about to jump you out.
Get out of my state.
They're jumping you.
It was sick though. I didn't go over there and talk shit about their car. They want to talk shit about mine.
You just didn't record it.
They're coming after us, G. Going after the vet. Go get the E36. Bro, this shit clean, bro. I kind of want to do the tire setups like that after the twin turbos. I knew I wasn't tripping. Here's the code I'm getting. We just ran the code right now, and it is misfiring, bro. See, I'm gonna just drive it home, chill, and then ask Sam tomorrow, what should we do? Kevin for sure scared, huh?
Scared,
Bro,
You're not going in it no more?
bro, the car literally went like this. I swear to God, no over-exaggerating. Went. I brake boosted. It kicked out right. I caught it. This is the car. It started going straight at him. He had to move out the way.
No
like,
way,
I went
bro.
Into his whole lane. Like I went into his whole lane.
That's why I'm not getting in that
and
car.
Then I got off. And then I was like, all right, if that happened, the tires are for sure warm.
Yeah.
I did it back to back again. Try to hit him again. I was like, the kid literally was like, no.
No way that shit's spinning on that tire. It's crazy. You're scared of what?
Yes.
This dude was for sure scared.
He was like, bro, tell me not though, I got hands.
No, he got it. Yeah, he got it,
That
but
motherfucker.
dude.
I got hands, boy.
No way it has a sticker. Is it really?
Yeah.
There's no way we park next to someone that has the Go Faster sticker. Bro, there's no way. You good or what?
Yeah.
You want me to drive it? If you can't handle it, I could do it, bro.
You'll crash my shit.
If you can't handle it, just give me the keys, bro. You know?
You would crash my shit because you wouldn't know when to let go.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.